1. Grab a leather belt that has a buckle. Any belt width will work fine for this, but the wider the belt, the stronger the cuffs will be. You'll also need a consenting partner if you want to test out your belt cuffs on a person. 2. Push the tail end of the belt through the buckle and tighten it. Tighten the loop so it's sized to your partner's wrist, or whatever it is you're cuffing, we don't judge. This creates the first cuff. 3. Loop the tail end of the belt back through the buckle to create a figure 8. The figure 8 shape creates 2 loops or cuffs, 1 loop per wrist. You can pull the tail to tighten the second cuff so it creates the same fit as the first cuff. 4. Loop the tail around so that it encircles the first cuff. Once you do, poke the tail through the buckle. Then, pull the tail up over the second cuff and push it through the buckle. This encircles the second cuff just like you did with the first cuff. Be careful not to shrink the size of the first cuff as you do this. 5. Pull on the tail to tighten the cuffs to the size you want. Your partner can slide their wrists through the loops now, 1 loop for each wrist. Be careful not to alter the size of the cuffs or tighten them too much. Cuffing their hands in front of their body, not behind their body, is safer and more comfortable. If the tail is super long and it bothers you, repeat step 4 to use up the slack.